In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best electric planers available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the electric planers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the electric planers mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Bosch GH0185 Li Electric Planer, Bare Machine. The Bosch GH0185 Li Electric Planer stands out as a top-tier professional carpentry tool. Boasting an 18V lithium-ion battery, it combines power with mobility, ensuring that woodworkers can tackle demanding projects with ease. The brushless motor enhances performance, providing not only precision in planing but also extending the tool's lifespan. As a bare machine, it offers cost-effective flexibility for professionals who may already possess compatible batteries and chargers, making it a versatile addition to any woodworking toolkit. Number 4, 1200W/1600W Multifunctional Electric Desktop Planer. This multifunctional electric desktop planer is a woodworking powerhouse. With a variable power range spanning from 1200W to 1600W, it adapts to the demands of different tasks, from smoothing surfaces to intricate shaping. Its portable and handheld design ensures easy maneuverability, making it an ideal companion for DIY enthusiasts seeking precision and efficiency in their home furniture projects. This planer embodies a balance between power and practicality, offering a reliable solution for diverse woodworking applications. Number 3, 220V Electric Wood Planer Adjustable Planing Depth Machine. The 220V electric wood planer stands as a portable powerhouse for woodworking enthusiasts. With an adjustable planing depth, it grants users control and precision, catering to a variety of woodworking projects. Operating on a 220V power supply, it consistently delivers reliable performance, ensuring smooth planing across various wood surfaces. This machine is a versatile tool that combines power and adaptability, making it an essential companion for woodworkers who prioritize precision and efficiency. This electric planer's link in description. You can check more information and buy here. Number 2, 15,000 RPM Brushless Electric Planer Cordless Handheld Wood Planing Machine. With a staggering 15,000 RPM, this brushless electric planer stands out for its high-speed operation, guaranteeing swift and precise wood cutting. The brushless motor not only ensures efficiency but also adds durability to the tool. Designed to operate with 18V Makita batteries, it offers cordless freedom for woodworking tasks such as milling and engraving. This planing machine is a versatile powerhouse, combining speed, precision, and the convenience of cordless operation for woodworkers aiming for excellence in their projects. Number 1, Drillpro 18V 15,000 RPM Rechargeable Electric Planer. The Drillpro 18V electric planer is a rechargeable cordless handheld wood cutting tool engineered for superior woodworking performance. With a high-speed rotation of 15,000 RPM, it excels in material removal, making it a dynamic tool for carpentry tasks. The inclusion of a wrench adds a practical touch, facilitating easy blade adjustments. Designed for use with Makita 18V batteries, this electric planer seamlessly blends power, portability, and convenience, ensuring woodworkers have a reliable and versatile tool for tackling various woodworking challenges with precision and efficiency.